Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're actually going to be dropping off the beadlock rings from the Bronco Sasquatch wheels. We're gonna go get them powder coated. We're gonna do a matching powder coat to the cyber orange that you see over here. So pretty simple to do. And what I'm referring to is these rings right here on the Bronco that come off. All you really need to do to pop them off, as you can see, it just has those little star bolts. So just need to go ahead, remove those. I already have gone ahead and removed some of them already. So this is what they look like when the ring is removed. I didn't realize that it would be stainless underneath here, so I guess I'm gonna rock it like this for a few days. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of these rings popped off and go get these things dropped off at powder coating. All right, so we got all the beadlock rings removed. Honestly, pretty simple to do. It's really just turning a wrench. It takes a little bit of time because they do have like a little bit of I don't know if it's really like a Loctite, but for lack of better terms, we'll just call it that. But so yeah, I guess that's what it would look like if I had a stainless beadlock ring. But okay, pretty cool. I do like the black better than that, but like I mentioned, we're gonna get it color matched to the cyber orange. So hopefully they have powder that's somewhat similar to it. So all right, let's go get all these things dropped off. Okay, so here they are finally after 6 weeks of waiting for them to get done. Yeah, here they are. So these are an exact color match to the cyber orange. We actually didn't end up going with powder coating. We just got these painted, and it's kind of hard to see right now just because of the time of day, but there actually is all the metallic flake in there as well. A lot of people, this might not be suited for them if they're going to be going off-roading and stuff. This will definitely scratch up a little bit more. They went ahead and clear coated these a bunch of times to avoid any sort of like rock chips just from normal road driving. But if you're going to go off-roading, I would probably definitely stick with powder coating. But since my Bronco is probably not going to be off-roaded all too much on these wheels, this is perfectly fine anyway. So let's go ahead and get them thrown on there so you can check them out. I already have one of them on, that's why you only see 4, but you're gonna have to wait until I get them installed to see the final product.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me.
All right, guys, and there it is. The wheel rings all installed. I know it's probably going to be hard to see on video, but they are 100% color matched. And let me see, hopefully over here you might be able to see it, but you got all the metallic flake in there that you would typically get with the cyber orange. It looks awesome. I know the vinyl, it's really hard to get the true color on video, but it's a Inazatec Nardo gray. It really looks like Area 51 and a little bit like the cactus gray on video and in pictures, but it's way more of a darker gray. And I think the cyber orange as an accent color looks absolutely great, because you get it on the Wild Track badge over there, and then you can see the roll bar is still cyber orange on the inside. So when the roof is off, it's gonna look sick all tied together. So yeah, I think it looks awesome. I'm super happy with it. Pretty inexpensive. You could probably rattle can them if you wanted to do it any other color, but I really wanted to get it true color match, so that's why I originally was gonna get them powder coated, but we ended up just getting them painted, and I'm super happy with it. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more of the Bronco build as well as TRX build. Honestly, kind of very similar color to that, so it's kind of funny how things work out. So yeah guys, we'll see you in the next one. Later.